Welcome back to my crypto channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Drip Drop Draw game that is launching on Tuesday, the 1st of August, as Forex announced in the latest Drip YouTube channel live stream. But before we continue, please take a second to hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel, and also ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my video updates. If you are already subscribed, then your support is much appreciated. So, we finally have an official launch date and time for the much-anticipated Drip Drop Draw game. It took Forex and his team a long time to complete the DDD game, and they have done everything to make the smart contract safe and reliable for its users. The launch will happen at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday the 1st of August, so let's hope that takes place without any more delays. The community has been waiting anxiously for Drip Drop Draw to launch, and we all want to see the price of Drip go up. You can view the announcement on the Drip YouTube live stream. Let me play the part for you where Forex announces the launch on Tuesday.
So, we're going to start the countdown today. The countdown will be for Tuesday, as I see someone in the chat doing. The reason for this is because we want 48 hours. And we don't want to go live on Sunday, right? So, we want to treat this like we would any other launch and give it, we've waited this long. We want it to launch on the most optimal day, which we know is Tuesdays and Thursdays. We're ready to go. We got a launch date. We got the countdown, which means all we have to do is have Chainlink send the upkeep function. So all we have to do is tell Chainlink Tuesday at 12 noon EST, call the initiate function. And that's it. And then we just wait. And it's automated. And then on Tuesday, that function gets called and it's live. And then every 4 hours after that, forever into the future, as long as people are still buying tickets, it will continue to run in a fully decentralized, fully trustless way. Exactly as DeFi is meant to be.
Forex said that there should be a countdown timer showing on the Drip website, but I have not seen it, so it may appear later today. It's also possible that the timer will appear 24 or 48 hours before the launch, or it may already be ticking in the background. There's a timer showing on top of the Drip Telegram channel, leading to the voice chat on Tuesday, so maybe this is the timer. If you have more information about it, please let me know in the comments below. There's also a new Wiki page for the Drip Drop Draw game, where you can find all the information on how to get started, how to buy tickets, the jackpot and payouts, the referral system, and much more. I will drop the link to the Wiki page below in the description. There are 7 prizes, 6 rounds per day, taking place every 4 hours. There's the jackpot, which is a maxed out wallet, a biggest deposit, a biggest sacrifice and 4 runner-up prizes. Everything is airdropped to your Faucet when you win. The new referral system is set up so that you have to buy the referral tickets one for one to get them, and you only have 24 hours to buy the tickets. You get 5% off any referrals. If, for example, someone buys 100 tickets under your buddy address, you get 5 referral tickets. You then have to buy 5 tickets on your own to release the referral tickets, so you will have 10 tickets total for that round. You can only enter a round if you buy tickets, and each ticket is $1 in Drip, BUSD, or BNB tokens. You can also gift tickets to other players or addresses. If you play on a max account, you can gift the tickets to your next Drip account, but gifting will not compound your available Drip for you. This is not financial advice, but I really think that Drip will make a move to the right when DDD launches and people start buying tickets to win a maxed out wallet. The purpose of the Drip Drop Draw game is to add more Drip to the tax vault and stop minting new Drip tokens, so we will see how it's going on Tuesday after the game has launched. Don't forget to join Drip Drop Draw with a new Drip wallet, because when you win the jackpot, or the second of third price, your payout is in Drip and will be sent straight to your Drip Faucet. More details about all this can be found in the Wiki articles. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. See you in the next video, and have a wonderful day.